How confident are you with your own sales forecast? Research has shown that more than half of sales leaders aren't confident themselves. They rely more on intuition and less on analytics. Even if analytics is used, it's often too complicated to be useful. This results in missed quotas and dirty pipelines, which could severely impact the organization's strategic decisions. Using Varicent Lift's Revenue Intelligence Workbench can take the guesswork out of sales forecasting. It will help you use the right data in the right format to create a good model. In this example, we have a recurring revenue model for a telecommunications company. Customers can be either a mobile or an internet customer. The model will then show us the forecast at customer and product level for the 3 periods ahead. Only one input dataset is needed, with data engineering done directly within the Workbench. We can see that even with this simple model, we are able to visualize product forecasts over time and the total recurring revenue for the next quarter. Because it's easy to manipulate your data, you can customize what data sets to include or leave out. For example, the Workbench can remove the customers that churn before the forecast period with just a simple tweak in the blueprint. With just a few steps, the Revenue Intelligence Workbench has shown us how easy it is to forecast and visualize our sales in the next period, giving us confidence on the accuracy of our targets.